folks, this is a short little review of my model tanks and diorama by Revell. Now this kit came out in 2005. It comes with the diorama, the soldiers, and the tanks, the Renault, and I can't remember the name of this one, but this kit was built over the course of 2 weeks. It's painted by mostly acrylic, except for these areas here. This is enamel. I didn't do a wash because I would have done a wash to get some of the cracks in the bricks, but I didn't know how to do it back then. This kit was finished a long time ago, a good while ago now. It's an okay kit. This is an Invasion of France diorama. You can see the German soldiers there. These are captured tanks. Or this is a captured French tank, and this is a German tank. It's an okay kit. I wouldn't really recommend it because it's very old and the molding is not really that good, but if you're an experienced modeler and you want a bit of a challenge, I definitely recommend it. These are my first ever tanks. I'm not really that fascinated about tanks though, to be honest, and I don't think I'll be building any more, at least for the time being. The construction of these tanks were not that good. I think it's an interesting little diorama. It's something to have on a shelf. I've never built a diorama before, so I don't know. Maybe I'll improve in the future because I think now it just looks a bit messy. But still, I think it's pretty cool. It's pretty neat, especially to have on a shelf. It is an old kit though, so the molding is not great, but for a basic Revell kit, and it only cost €5 on eBay, so, you know, can't go wrong. But all in all, I think it was an okay kit. Not great, but not terrible either. Definitely recommended for a more advanced modeler though. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this very short review, and I'll see you in the next review. Goodbye.